Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and I'm here to show you all how I get my everyday big voluminous waves using my Neuro angle curling wand. So I usually will always keep the degree level at 360 degrees. I have very medium textured hair, and I also always have to go in with my Neuro Protect to make sure that I protect my hair against any heat damage. So I just give it a little spritz spray. And then I'm just going to start by sectioning off my hair. I like to curl my hair in small sections because it ensures that I get to every single strand and every single piece will be big, voluminous, and bouncy. So now I'm just going to take my paddle brush and smooth everything out before I wrap the hair around the barrel. So I'm just going to wrap it around and then I hold it for about 10 seconds. I don't ever really go beyond 10 seconds when holding it on the barrel just because I feel like it works for me. And then here I'm just going to wait for the curl to cool. This ensures that the curl will just set in perfectly. I was counting because I give it about 10 seconds to cool and then I release. So here you'll just see me repeating that over and over again, wrapping it around the barrel, allowing it to cool in the palm of my hand for about 10 seconds, and then I will release. So this tool comes in two different sizes. There is a 1 1/4 inch cone and a 1 inch barrel. Today I am using the 1 1/4 inch cone, and it also bends, so it's very flexible for any style. And voila, you have a bouncy, beautiful wave that will last you all day long. So here you'll see that I'm going to speed it up because I'm just going to go over my entire head, repeating that same method over and over again until I have covered my entire head. One little trick that I like to use when curling my hair is I like to leave the ends out of the barrel so that it gives it more of a wave versus a curl. This gives it a more of an undone wave finish versus a very tight curled look at the end, which is what I usually prefer when doing this hairstyle. And then you'll just see me here dancing around, being silly, because curling my hair makes me happy. So now I'm just going to curl the hair that frames my face. A little trick here is that I actually curl these toward my face while the other waves are curled away from my face. For some reason it just works for me. I like the way it frames my face when I curl toward my face versus away from my face. So yeah, you'll see here. One thing that I love about this tool is that it has an automatic shut-off feature. So if you're someone who's on the go like me and you just so happen to forget to shut it off, no worries, because it will shut off for you. And voila, now I have these really big, beautiful waves that I didn't start with. I started my hair with straight hair, and now I have these really big, pretty bombshell waves. So now I'm just going to take my Paul Mitchell paddle brush and lightly brush them out just to soften the wave a little bit and just marries everything together. This is actually my favorite part. I love taking my paddle brush and brushing everything out and brushing it together to make everything look a little bit more seamless. So some days I like to wear my hair parted down the center, but I also like a side part. So here I'm just going to flip my hair to the side and it gives me a completely different look that I love. But I also love parting my hair down the center, so I'm going to keep it parted down the center for today. And of course I'm going to finish it off with my Neuro finishing spray. This is just going to lock my style in so that it stays bouncy and curled all day long. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is one of my all-time favorite hairstyles and one of my favorite tools. So make sure that you all subscribe and check back every week for new videos. Bye guys!